Today, we'll learn how to organize our Streamlit app using columns and containers. By the end of this video, you'll build a simple product showcase app. Let's start. First, import the Streamlit library. Import Streamlit as st. Now, let's create two columns. Now, let's add content. Run the application. Now the content is displayed side by side. This makes the app look much cleaner. Now create 3 columns. Run the app. Notice how Streamlit automatically arranges everything. Now, let's make the layout more attractive. I have 3 images in Images folder. Run the application. Each product now has its own column. Now create 3 product columns. Now compare it with the previous layout. It looks much more professional. Now, let's make every product interactive. Run the application. Now, every product has its own button. Sometimes we want to group multiple widgets together. For that, we use container. Run the application. Everything inside the container is grouped together. Containers help organize large applications. Now, let's combine everything we learned. Run the application. Now you've created a simple product showcase app. It looks much better than displaying everything one below another.